Parathas are no longer just plain or stuffed with aloo. Today, let's give them a fun twist. We're making pizza paratha, Frankie Paratha and tomato pocket paratha. 3 unique recipes that will make your paratha platter unforgettable. Let's first start with pizza paratha. For this, take 1 cup of wheat flour and a spoon of oil. Knead into a soft dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, make the filling with cheese, onions, capsicum, bell peppers, oregano, chili flakes and a pinch of salt. Now roll out the dough, place the cheesy filling inside, seal it and roll again. Cook on a hot tawa with a little oil until golden brown on both sides. Now serve hot with extra grated cheese on top. A paratha that tastes just like pizza. Now let's move to Frankie Paratha. In a bowl, marinate chicken with spices and let it rest for 20 minutes. Prepare a soft dough with flour, salt, water and oil and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan, fry onion paste and add marinated chicken. Cook till dry, then finish with garam masala and coriander. Now roll out the dough, spread the chicken mixture, pour in whisk egg and top with onions, green chili and chaat masala. Now fold into a half moon, seal and trim the edges. Now pan fry with oil, brushing both sides with egg until crispy and golden. Now serve garnished with onions and coriander. This paratha is a complete meal in itself. Now let's move to the last one, tomato pocket paratha. For this, mix wheat flour with tomato paste, salt, coriander powder, chili powder, cumin, chaat masala, pepper and coriander leaves. Now knead into a flavorful dough. Next, roll into pockets of your choice, then cook on tawa with ghee or oil until golden spots appear. Now serve hot with butter on top and a side of curd or pickle. A tangy spicy twist to the everyday paratha. So whether you're craving the cheesy goodness of pizza, the street-style taste of a Frankie or the tangy punch of tomatoes, these unique parathas will keep your taste buds happy. Which one will you try first? Do let us know in the comments, and for such easy recipes, do subscribe to Times Foodie.